हे गाइस, सो इन कंटिन्यूएशन विद जो हमारे बाकी के 3 वीडियोस रहे हैं, टुडेज वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट शुगर अल्कोहल। नाउ जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि शुगर सब्सटीट्यूट्स के 2 टाइप्स हैं, आर्टिफिशियल स्वीटनर्स एंड शुगर अल्कोहल्स। नाउ शुगर अल्कोहल्स आर अगेन योर केमिकली डिराइव्ड, लैब डिराइव्ड वंस। एक आधा इसमें से नेचुरली अकरिंग है, but if we go to it, they are all lab synthesized. For example, xylitol, mannitol, sorbitol, erythritol. Now अगर कैसे पहचाने इनको, तो लास्ट में जब भी TOL लिखा हुआ आएगा आपको easily आइडेंटिफाई हो जाएगा कि ये शुगर अल्कोहल है। सो विच मीन्स नाउ यू नो कि कभी भी आपने इंग्रेडिएंट्स वाले सेक्शन में एंड में टॉल देख लिया तो यू कैन सेफली से दैट दिस इज अ शुगर सब्सटीट्यूट वाला खाना और अ ड्रिंक। नाउ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये रूटीनली कौन से सोर्सेज में या कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स में हमें मिलते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो xylitol है वो हमें टूथपेस्ट, माउथ वॉशेस एंड कुछ शुगर फ्री कैंडीज़ में मिले जाते हैं। एंड रही बात एरिथ्राइटॉल की, तो वो नेचुरली बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स में अवेलेबल हैं, जैसे कि पीच, मेलन्स एंड सारे फर्मेंटेड फूड्स, योर वाइन एंड कुछ और हैं। बट नेचुरली तो वो अकर होते हैं, लेकिन जो उसका लैब मेड वाला कंपोनेंट है वो हार्डली कोई भी फूड या ड्रिंक में यूज़ होता है। सो विच मीन्स amongst all these different types of sugar alcohols, the most popular one is your xylitol. The next important question related to sugar alcohols is ki are they safe or are they harmful? And if they are safe, or I would put it as, are they harmful in general, or they are, I would put it as harmful but better than your artificial sweeteners. So let's take it one step at a time. Now your sugar alcohols rarely affect your appetite and weight gain. So which means that there's not going to be any sugar cravings, so there's not going to be increase in hunger, so there's rarely going to be a increase in weighing scale numbers. But that is only dependent if you're comparing it with your previous diet that included normal sugars. लेकिन अगर आपने आपकी शुगर कंपोनेंट वाले फूड्स एंड शुगर फ्री कंपोनेंट वाले फूड्स एंड ड्रिंक्स को बढ़ा दिए इन अ क्वांटिटी विच इज़ मच मोर हायर देन नॉर्मल, then it is difficult to say whether they are going to affect your weight gain or no, because कहीं ना कहीं वो eventually weight gain में आएगा. Next is that diabetes control. Yes, definitely. Like any sugar substitute, it will help you in your diabetic control, but there is a point that we need to understand is जो मैंने even introductory video में बताया कि if you have in excess, then वो yes blood sugar levels को spike करते हैं. So in that case, then your diabetic control goes in haywire. So till the time you're using all this sugar alcohol in moderation or in minute quantities, they are a complete go-go. You can easily go for it and substitute your normal sugar with it. The third aspect is your gut health. So do they affect your gut health? In moderations, no. Definitely they actually are much more safer than your artificial sweeteners on your gut health. But again, as I mentioned, if you take it in larger quantities, it will have its side effects. That is, you will have bloating and diarrhea issues. Apart from that, comparatively to your artificial sweeteners, sugar alcohols are much more safer. So if you would really want to choose between an artificial sweetener and a sugar alcohol, I would say that yes, sugar alcohols are much more safer. Apart from these 3 aspects that we've covered, what are the other benefits of sugar alcohols? The other 2 benefits that we need to understand is they can be given in children if required. Although sugar substitutes are a complete no-no for children, but if you really want to give your child a sugar substitute, then erythritol is the most safest one to be given in this. In fact, it is the most safest of all the sugar substitutes that you can give a child. The next one is in pregnancy. Well, for individual or for women who have diabetes during pregnancy or who don't want the sugar levels to increase during pregnancy, then yes, sugar alcohols are a good substitute for sugar. They are comparatively safe and have not shown any side effects in the individuals who are pregnant. Third is any metabolic problems. Well, none of these have any problems associated metabolically, so they are considered very safe in the sugar substitutes to be given to any individual. But obviously, all of these things have to be kept in mind that they have to be given only in moderation, or I would say it in only minute quantities. The most important benefit, like being a dentist, I want to share is that xylitol specifically, and even erythritol, to actually a larger extent I would put it, both of these help prevent cavities. That is, they help prevent tooth decay. But how will they prevent? We all know that whenever we take sugar in the body, that is broken down by the bacteria in the mouth into acids. यानी कि जब हम शुगर अंदर ले रहे हैं बॉडी में, that when taken in the oral cavity or in our mouth is broken down by the bacteria into minute things, and one of the component is acids. Now हम सब जानते हैं कि acids are corrosive or they damage हमारे outer surface of the tooth, that is enamel को. But when we substitute sugar with the sugar alcohols, that is हम xylitol या erythritol से substitute करते हैं, तो जब अंदर शुगर गया ही नहीं तो ब्रेकडाउन कैसे होगा? सो जब ब्रेकडाउन ही नहीं हुआ तो नहीं एसिड्स ही नहीं बनेंगे, एंड एसिड्स नहीं बने तो दांत के सरफेस बच गया. एंड टू एन एक्सटेंट एरिथ्राइटॉल का एक एक्स्ट्रा काम है, इस जो ये गंदे वाले बैक्टीरिया हैं, जो कैविटी कॉजिंग वाले बैक्टीरिया, उनकी ग्रोथ को वो कम कर देता है. सो इफ वी सी बिटवीन xylitol एंड एरिथ्राइटॉल इज अ मच मोर बेटर sugar alcohol or sugar substitute for preventing cavities. But can we actually truly say that xylitol prevents tooth cavities? Yes, they individually will prevent tooth cavities, but when xylitol अगर आपके sugar drinks या sugar candies में present है, then it is not going to prevent your cavities. बट आप मुझसे पूछोगे अभी तो आपने बोला कि वो कैविटीज़ बचाएगा, तो फिर अब क्यों आप चेंज कर रहे हो आंसर? वेल, द रीज़न आई एम चेंजिंग द आंसर इज़ क्योंकि आपकी शुगर कैंडीज़ हो गई हैं, जो भी शुगर फ्री ड्रिंक्स हो गई, xylitol के अलावा उन ड्रिंक्स या उन कैंडीज़ में बाकी और केमिकल्स भी प्रेजेंट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू विल हैव योर प्रेजर्वेटिव, एसिडिटी इमल्सिफायर्स, कोई कलरिंग एजेंट्स होंगे. ये सारी चीज़ें आर ऑल एसिडिक इन नेचर. सो इवन दो अगर शुगर एसिड में ब्रेक डाउन नहीं हुआ, बट बाकी का कंपोनेंट क्योंकि एसिडिक है, वो आपके दांत के इनामल को डैमेज करेगा. सो इवन दो आपने शुगर फ्री पे सब्सटीट्यूट कर भी दिया, बट बाकी के जो प्रोडक्ट की कॉम्पोजिशन है वो आपकी दांत की सड़न की फ्रीक्वेंसी को बढ़ा सकती है. सो इन ऑल, xylitol or erythritol is good for your teeth, but not in combination with your sugar-free diets and candies. Now, if I summarize it up, then definitely your sugar alcohols are much more safer options in the chemically based sugar substitutes as compared to your artificial sweeteners. But there is one artificial sweetener which has gained a lot of popularity in the recent time, and that is called as stevia. So is stevia better than sugar alcohols, or sugar alcohols are better than stevia? I will be comparing both of them in my next video on stevia as the new sugar substitute. So I hope till now it's been easy for you all to make an informative decision for yourself कि sugar alcohols are definitely a better substitute for your sugar in your food, drinks and the desserts that you eat. And let's wait and compare it with stevia, because stevia comparatively is much more natural. So till we meet again in our next video, this is Dr. Surbhi Wadhwani from Tooth Fairy Dental Clinic Indore signing off. Till then, keep smiling and be happy.